Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover deleted notes on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. So there's two different ways we can do this. First, we can open up the Notes app like I have here, and then we want to go to the top left where it says Folders. Once we're on the Folders page, what we want to do is go to where it says Recently Deleted, and here's where you're going to find all of your notes that you have recently deleted in the past 30 days. So if you wanted to recover one of these, what you could do is tap on the note, tap anywhere on the screen, and then it will give you the option to go ahead and recover that note. That is one way you can do it. There is another way that you can recover your deleted notes as well, and that is by going to your web browser, whether on your desktop or on your phone, and then you want to search Google for iCloud and go to the iCloud.com website. From here, we're going to want to sign into our iCloud account. From here, we want to go to the top right where we see these grid of dots here, and then we want to open up the Notes app. This will take us to the web version of iCloud Notes, in which case we want to go to where it says Recently Deleted, and then here we can see our recently deleted notes as well. So if we wanted to say recover our note when we didn't have our iPhone with us, we could do this on our desktop, on our Android device, or any other device that can access the web, and we can go ahead and tap on that note, and then you can hit the recover button on the top left here, which will recover the note completely. If you do not have access to your notes on iCloud, you'll want to open up your Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on your device name at the top here. Then you'll want to tap on where it says iCloud right here. You want to make sure that your notes is backed up to your iCloud and that you have access iCloud data on the web enabled. And with that, you should be able to access your notes on your iCloud. And that's it. So that's basically how you can recover deleted notes on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.